Hey everyone, Happy Dude here with another video, and today I'm going to show you how you install blue LED into the door handles and under the dashboard. And as you can see, you can also choose how bright you really want it. Here's soft and here's very bright. Okay, let's get into it. First you remove the plastic at the door handle, just with a plastic tool. It clicks out, and also the door panel, loosen it on top. Here you can see the LED. It's from the brand Evo. It's very thin and also very flexible, and you can cut it and then it just fits into the gap. And there's also a hole where you can put the cables through, so it's very easy to install. If you want to see how you loosen the door and the plastic cover, you can watch my other video. I'll drop the link in the description below. So with this plastic you cut off little plastic pins. I believe they are 4. It's not that hard. The residue you see is from some glue. I did some experimenting, but it doesn't work that well. So the best is to put the LED in the gap as I shown in the beginning of the video. And then all you need to do is connect the 2 wires of the LED to the 2 wires of the original LED. Brown is the negative or ground, and then you can choose the white blue or the white red. The white blue is the original white light, and the white red cable is the original orange color of the car. So you can choose which one you want to use. And then there's only one thing to do, and that is cut the plastic tube on this adapter here. It's where the light shines through, and that's the only thing you need to do. Now for the lights at your feet, I didn't film that. I apologize for that, but it's not that hard also. I believe there are 2 10mm bolts to loosen, and then you can just click it out, and then the panel drops, and then you use the cables of the original light that's there also, and the colors are just the same as in the door. So if you liked the video, please give me a like and maybe subscribe so you don't miss any future videos of my BMW M2. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.